Hello, and welcome back to Happy Full Stack Life as a developer. Today, I continue with the new section in website development. This section is about Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a powerful front-end toolkit. That is, this is a powerful front-end toolkit. That means you can use Bootstraps to build beautiful and responsive website. And with Bootstrap, it can be easy and fast. It can be easy and fast. Bootstrap have many pre-built components such as button, table, anchor, and many pre-built class that you can use with your HTML elements and transform your HTML elements to be better and more beautiful. So in this index file here, you can see a table, and this table is not good. So how to make this table more beautiful and more attractive? You can use Bootstrap, and I show you that it's very fast and easy to use. First, we come back with the index.html5 here. In this simple index.html5, we have only the table. We have a table with no CSS, no style to this table. And to use a Bootstrap, we should include it in your website. To include Bootstrap in your website, just copy this and placed in the head section of your website. This link refers to the CSS, Bootstrap CSS, and this link refers to the Bootstrap JavaScript, and that how we include Bootstrap in your website. Save and track. Now you see that there's some difference in your website when you include the Bootstrap. Maybe the font is different. The font is different. Now our purpose is to make the table more beautiful. So with Bootstrap, it's very fast. Just add a class. Use a table class. Use a table class. Just one line. Add class table. That is, save now and see how the table is transformed. Oh, you see that the table is transformed with padding and alignment, and with a line here to separate each line in the table, and it's more beautiful. So that's so easy. And if we do not use this class, that we do not use Bootstrap, save and check, it's not good. The table is not good. So it's very easy to make the table more attractive, that use the table class with Bootstrap. Class which table, save and check. That is, in this simple example with table class, you can see the powerful Bootstrap. You can make a table attractive very fast. very fast. And everything in Bootstrap should be placed inside a container. That a container contains everything you should use in Bootstrap. So you should place a container class here, class container. This container class is another important class of Bootstrap. And save and check and see how we affect our website. Okay, now the container train our website to be better align left padding and right padding. And more important is that with container class our website become responsive. Responsive means when we open our website in different screen size and different devices such as iPad, such as phone, such as desktop, such as mobile. So our website respond with the screen size. And in Chrome browser, there's one important tool, the development tools. In here, more tools and developer tools, you can check and test the responsiveness of the website with developer tools. Click on that. And now press Target Device toolbar. And here we can select the sample device that you want to test our website. You can select iPhone, Samsung phone, or iPad, or Surface. That is, maybe use Samsung and maybe use iPhone. You can see that our website respond with the device and with the screen size. Okay, so with the container class our website become responsiveness to device and to various screen size. And remember that just one line with table class you can transform the table, and that's the powerful Bootstrap. And thank you for watching. Today's lesson is about Bootstrap. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.